In recent weeks, escalating Western pressure against the Chinese-owned app, TikTok, has reached a head as the United Kingdom joins the United States, the European Commission, Canada, and Belgium in banning the popular video sharing app on government devices. The ban comes after a security review carried out by UK government intelligence officials that determined allowing permissions through the app would give TikTok access to contacts, user content, and geolocation data, which can ultimately be accessed from China, posing a specific risk with government devices, according to Cabinet Office Minister Oliver Dowden. This announcement has swiftly been followed by another move. A cross-party group of British MPs and peers have asked the Information Commissioner to investigate whether TikTok's handling of personal information is in breach of UK law. The group, called the Interparliamentary Alliance on China, believes that if the app cannot find a way to comply with data protection rules put in place by the UK and European Union, it may be forced to shut operations in the UK. In a statement, the group said, "We believe that the Chinese-owned app and its handling of personal information cannot be compliant with data protection rules and regulations, and must be investigated." This letter from Interparliamentary Alliance on China comes as a response to TikTok's own statement, which claimed the app was a victim of fundamental misconceptions, which it said were driven by wider geopolitics. A spokesperson for TikTok said the company had begun work on a comprehensive plan to protect European user data and further stated that the company was incorporated outside of China and believed it was complying with strict data laws such as the General Data Protection Regulation in the UK and EU. The group of MPs and peers complaint is meant to ask broader questions potentially affecting all of its users. As data consultant Caroline Carruthers noted, there's a potential for the cross-country data transfer laws in the UK to be contradicted by the national intelligence law in China, for instance. As a result of the concerns, Labour MP Carolyn Harris said she was deleting her TikTok account and encouraging others to do the same, believing legislators have a responsibility to set an example, as much of her campaigning had seen success with the use of the app's videos notching up tens of thousands of views. The Information Commissioner's office has indicated it will review the letter and its serious concerns closely. As the month-long deadline for a US ban on TikTok looms, and relations between the UK and China continuing to deteriorate, all eyes will be on the response from the ECO, and the consequences it may have for both the future of TikTok's operations in the UK and data protection laws across the world.